We're going to do the first bronze problem of the USCO 2016 December contest. As you probably already know, the USCO season is over and it doesn't start again until December 2020. So this video is more geared towards people who want to start doing USCO. In my opinion, this is the easiest problem that they have, and if you don't know how to solve it, don't be discouraged. You still have a lot of months to practice for the first contest. So today I'm going to be coding in Java, so I apologize to all the C++ and Python people out there. So essentially the problem says is that there are originally two rectangular fenced-in pastures, and Farmer John wants to replace them with one single squared fenced-in pasture with the minimum size that covers all of the regions. So he wants to find the minimum area, and the sides for the square pasture should be parallel to the x and y axes.
Alright, so let's actually get to the thought process of the problem. First, since it's a 2D problem, we have to start by making a coordinate plane. So I'm drawing my axes. Alright, this looks good enough. And then next we're gonna label our points.
So I have the points labeled, and also I drew the rectangular pastures. So now what we want to do is to find the minimum side length of the square so that it includes both the rectangular pastures. So just by looking at it, the minimum would be from here to here. Otherwise, the maximum x minus the minimum x. But in other cases, it can be the other way around. So maybe it can be the maximum y and the minimum y. So basically what we have to do is, first we want to find the maximum x, and then we want to find the minimum x, and then we want to find the difference between them, and then after that we want to find the maximum y, and we want to find the minimum y, and we want to find the difference, and then based on whichever one's bigger, we want to choose that one. And in this case, it's going to be the x's with a side length of 7. And after that, after we find the square's side length, all we do is square it, and 7 squared is 49. So there, I think we found our solution. Alright guys, so I've already gone ahead and read in the input, so now all we have to do is to find the minimum x, our minimum y, and the side length. Alright guys, so now we found our minimum x, our minimum y, and our maximum y. So now let's find our side length. So we are going to take the math.max of the differences between the max x, the min x, and the max y, and the minimum y. So now we found our minimum side length of the square pasture that will include both of the rectangular pastures. So then all we have to do for the answer is just to square it, because they're asking for the area, and there, we're done. Alright guys, so now we're going to test if it works or not. Alright, submit. Waiting for available grading server, grading. 3 boxes green already, 8 boxes. Alright, we got all 10 boxes green, guys. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. Comment down below for what you want to see in the future. I'll be sure to do more USCO Bronze and maybe even USCO Silver content. Stay safe in this corona situation, and see ya.